this was gonna taste better. My favorite. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jessica, and in today's video, we are gonna be reviewing the Taste Flavor Company 10 calorie sauces. I'm gonna place a timestamp on the screen and down below the times where all the flavors that I review where I talk. So just a little background. These are currently sold out on the website. When I had posted it on my Instagram, I had a few followers mention that they saw it at Walmart and that they were in stock. I didn't know they sell them in store. I get them online. Online, they were $24.99 for the entire 4-pack. But again, right now it's sold out. I got the Taste Lover bundle and shipping was like $10. So the shipping took a long time. I ordered these on February 17th. And I didn't get them until March 11th. I ordered them back when Texas got that really bad snowstorm, and so they sent me an email saying how since the weather conditions were really bad in Texas that it would have delayed the shipping. So first one we're gonna review is the Cajun honey mustard. It's gluten-free, dairy-free. I'm just gonna pour a little bit on my plate. Okay, a little spicy, like a little kickback. I do taste the honey mustard. This is good. I would say this is definitely doesn't taste like fake. It literally tastes like honey mustard from like Chick-fil-A. It does have a little kick. I think that's why they call it Cajun honey mustard. So honestly, this is a go for me. Oh, and another thing, these are the only 2 glass bottles, and then these 2 came in plastic. Just so you know, I don't know if that matters. So next up we have Cherry Wood Chipotle BBQ. Pull it on the plate. I don't like this. I've had better barbecue sauce before. It's like more on the sweeter side of barbecue. I guess that's why they call it cherry wood. It's not spicy, it's a little sweet, has kind of like a smoky texture. Yeah, I don't know, this one's not my favorite. If you like sweet barbecue sauce, I think you will like this. So next up, the cilantro lime ranch. I was really excited for this one because I love cilantro and ranch. So let's try it. I taste the lime. It kind of tastes the ranch. It has like a tarty aftertaste. It kind of tastes like powdered cilantro. Does that make any sense? I thought this was gonna taste better. Honestly, I would enjoy my food with hot sauce more than I would enjoy my food with this. Okay, guys, I'm just being super honest. These are just my opinions, my taste buds, so you might like the ones that I don't like. Next up, spicy and garlic parmesan. This is 10 calories for 2 tablespoons, 0.5 grams of fat, 1 carb, no sugar, no fiber, no protein per 1 tablespoon. And they tricked me here. So all of the other sauces per 2 tablespoons, the spicy garlic parm was per 1 tablespoon. It's really not much of a difference. Like 10 calories is nothing. This one is really good. It's spicy, Parmesan, and garlicky. I would say it's spicier than the barbecue. This has like a 3 out of 10, and this is like more of a 6 out of 10, so it's not too spicy. Okay, this one contains milk also, obviously because the Parmesan. Spicy garlic parm, I would have to say is my favorite sauce out of all 4. My favorite. The Chipotle barbecue and the Cajun honey mustard are the only 2 that are dairy free. They are all gluten free. Oh, it's manufactured in Newark, New Jersey. So that's interesting. If they're manufactured in Newark, why did it take long? Because of the Texas storm. Anyway, so would I buy this bundle again? No. But I would buy these 2 again. Talk about the website a little bit. It does say free US shipping on orders of $39 or more. You can build your own bundle too. So you can like customize your bundle. So that is awesome because if you, like me, if you don't like barbecue sauce, don't get it. Create your own bundle and just get what you like. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I wanted to keep it short and simple. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can stay for more videos like this. And I will see you guys in my next video.